What's up guys, it's Brandy here, and today I'm bringing you guys a vlog. I know it's been a while, but I figured, hey, why not hop back on here and do what I do? So yeah, let's get into this vlog. We are at the river. Josh got a boat. I know it's been a while, so we moved into a whole new apartment and all that. Josh got a boat, so we're gonna go, test this boat out. He bought a motor for it. It did come with the trolling motor, but he got like a real motor for it. So you see him in the background, but yeah, we're gonna go test this boat out. Why don't you go ask him? Go ask him.
I just welded a plate to it anyway. I can take my boat to a welder and do that, so.
You look like you're about to fall.
I'm alright. That doesn't sit too bad.
You like it?
It looks good.
The river now to get on the boat, and this is what it looks like. It's like surrounded in trees, this long sidewalk, but they have like this floating dock on the river, and that's how I'm gonna attempt to get on this boat. Last time I attempted this, I almost fell, but yeah, you see that white thing down there? That's the dock. I know the camera's shaky, it's because I'm walking downhill, but if you catch fish, that's where you hang the fish up at. But yeah, surrounded by trees. Creepy, right? I think it's creepy. I'm gonna show y'all what the river looks like when I get down here. It's the river. It's what it looks like. There we go.
Damn it.
Ah. Is that good?
Well, the sound is good. I almost dumped the top of the gas can in the water though. That would have not been good.
So we're good to go?
Yep.
Oh, we got it to go. You got it to go, babe.
Well, hold on. We're good. We're good right now. I'm not going to go. Oh, damn it.
What happened?
Hold on. The gas line isn't getting gas to the fucking motor. That's why it wouldn't start.
So it doesn't work?
The motor works, but the stupid gas hose sucks. Hear that air?
Yeah. Start her up.
I'll make sure the gas in there first. I got the trolling motor. This thing's a fucking workout.
Is it?
Yeah. Because it wants to keep going that way and I have to hold it to keep it straight.
Was it worth it?
Hell yeah. What's happening, guys? It's your boy back with another video.
How'd you like it?
It was a success.
You was worth it?
Hell yeah, it was worth it.
Taking it out next week?
All the struggle and trials and tribulations.
Yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed.